In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a paywall for videos on Substack. By the end, you'll know exactly how to upload a video, lock it for paid subscribers, and send it to your audience with confidence. Start on your Substack dashboard and open the post composer by selecting Create. This is your starting point for any new post, and it gives you access to different post types. From the options, choose Video. That tells Substack you're publishing a video post and opens the video editor with the right fields and layout. Next, click. Select File to add your video. Pick the file from your computer and let it upload. Larger files may take a moment, so it's best to stay on the page while the upload completes. If your video is especially big, compressing it beforehand can speed things up and reduce processing time without a noticeable drop in quality. Once the video is in place, add a clear title and an optional subtitle. Your title should be concise and descriptive, so subscribers show exactly what they'll get. Use the subtitle to provide a little more context, like the key outcome or who the video is for. Strong titles and subtitles help with open rates and set expectations right away. Below that, write the body of your post. Think of this as your show notes or a brief introduction. Summarize what viewers will learn, list any resources or links you reference, and mention timestamps if you have them. If you plan to paywall the full video, you can still write a short teaser paragraph up front to help free readers understand the value they'll unlock by subscribing. When everything looks good, click Continue. This moves you to the distribution and access settings so you can control who sees the content and how it's delivered. To add the paywall, choose paid subscribers only. This restricts the full video to your paying audience. If you want to entice free readers, keep a short intro in the body that remains visible to everyone, while the actual video stays behind the paywall. Also, make sure your publication has paid subscriptions enabled in settings. Otherwise, this option won't appear. Finally, click Send to Everyone Now to publish and deliver the post. Substack will email your audience and make the post live immediately, with the video accessible only to paid subscribers as you configured. That's it. You've uploaded your video, set the paywall, and sent it to your audience. Follow these steps each time you publish, and you'll have a consistent, professional workflow for premium video content on Substack.